On Saturday, April 13th, hundreds of dogs and their owners went to Old Westbury Gardens for their Spring Dog Days event. With pet rescue groups, pet vendors, and even a dog show happening, even pet celebrity David Fry was there from Westminster. Everyone was having a great time, like these guys.
She does the tricky.